Good afternoon. We're over at my daughter's place today to shoot a video, and we're going to be sharing all the beautiful things she's done for Valentine's this year. We're a little late, are we not, Debbie?
Yeah, unfortunately we had some illness, so we couldn't get together, but we thought we better hurry up and get this up before Valentine's Day is over. So we'll start here at my chair. Got this cute little pillow. It says, "You got me, Valentine." And I got that from Anna Lee. So cute. Red is not, it doesn't go too well with the buffet, but the other pillow she had that I really liked, I couldn't snag it before somebody else took it, so, oh well. But it's so cute. And she got a cute little face.
Oh, I think she looks really cute in her little rosy face. And I love the little flowers all on it and the hearts and everything, and the fan looks so pretty with all the hearts.
Yeah, it is very cute.
And it's very vintage looking too.
Yeah, that's what I really wanted to do, a vintage corner, but I just couldn't get around to getting it all done. So, and then moving up on the buffet, we've got my little candle holder, which Mom put together with some flowers for me because I'm not great at flower arranging. So thank you, Mom. It looks really pretty.
And one thing Grandma had was a lot of flowers.
Yes. And then moving up, we have my Mackenzie Child lamp, and the black and white is pretty. Goes really well with pink.
It does. I'm really, really loving it. The more I look at it, the more I love the pink with it, don't you?
Yeah, I do. And I just threw that little thing up there. That's from the Dollar Tree or...
It is. We all know that it's Dollar Tree. I have a pair of them.
Oh, okay. So I just threw it up there to get it out of my way while I was decorating. And I was like, hey, that looks pretty good there. I think I'm going to leave it there.
Okay, let's go over a little bit more in the center now.
Okay, so now I have a little flower arrangement I put together. That was left over from a baby shower I had done. So just added the flowers and the pot were the leftovers, and I just added those little hearts from Dollar Tree.
The pink hearts look really good in there.
Yeah. And then I have my little can, Valentine's can. I glued an extra heart on it, so it'd be more of a, like a 3D kind of stick out more. And then I have my cake pops on there that I made around Christmas time. And then I just have a couple little cups of conversational hearts on there. And then those cupcakes I made, and I'm not too thrilled with them.
I
know you said you liked them.
I thought they turned out cute. Leave us a comment in the comment section if you like them or not. And do you want to tell them where you got the little cutout things? Right?
Yeah. So the little cups. There's two different ones. This one has love on it, and if you can see, I have like a little letter, an envelope in there. So cute. And I have two different colors, and that's why I'm not happy about it, because when I was piping, it didn't all come together. As you can see, this one, it has more white in the beginning, and then later it started coming in. But that was the first time I tried to pipe with two different colors in the same bag. So, I'll get better at it. But so this one is a little conversational hearts cupcake holder, and I got these cupcake holders from Home Goods. So they had those two different styles, and these are really good quality. They hold up really well. So, and all it is half of a toilet paper roll inside, a half of a styrofoam ball, and then I put my topping on it and put all my little sprinkles.
Someday I'm going to come over and make her do a video on how she does it.
I think we've done some, but I don't know if we did cupcakes. I don't remember.
Well, we've done something similar, but it's sort of nice to show how you did it with how you did these.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna do another for St. Patrick's Day, another combo color, and I think I'll do better. So these are my cupcakes.
And I love the lace and the cupcakes you put on that.
Yeah.
Now, did it come like that, or did you put?
No, I put it on there. So this is. I keep saying Dollar Tree. At the time when I bought all this stuff, it was $1, but now it's $1.25.
Oh, come on. It's not that bad.
Well, it is when you buy a bunch of stuff. It starts to add up. So, I don't want to be in the making a
I'm not
shadow over
even
there.
shooting anything but what we're shooting.
Okay, so this I got from Dollar Tree, and this was from Dollar Tree, and so I just added the little cupcakes on there.
And did you see the beautiful hearts? Aren't they beautiful? I love them.
What are you looking at?
If you come around here,
Oh, this?
yeah.
Oh,
I'm talking about the lace and the hearts on the
Oh,
lace.
yeah. And then I'm coming up to the truck. Yeah, I was casting a big time shadow.
Well,
That truck is also, no, that one's from the 99-cent store. And then I just added little conversational hearts on the wheels, and I added another little heart there. And I blinged this heart here. So I kind of just embellished it a little bit because I wanted to do a little bit more, but I was over it. I had too many projects to do, like always.
I know. She's always doing something. I keep telling her there's always next year.
Ugh.
Okay,
So-
we're going to move back a little bit and do the few more.
Okay, and then this is the kissing booth sign that also came from Dollar Tree, and you know, it had little holes in the top to hang it. So I just put some little bows on it just to hide the little holes. That was the only embellishing I did to that. And then I have my Mackenzie Child's blue and white.
I'm going to move around to the other side so we can see better.
So again, that's the Mackenzie Child's, the Courtly check.
Yeah.
Blue and white. And I just had some little roses that I got from this discount store, I don't know, a year or so ago. And I just stuck them inside there.
Looks so
They were
pretty.
like 99 cents. So
They're beautiful.
I love that store, but it's a hit and miss. Sometimes they have a lot of good stuff, and sometimes they don't have nothing. So, and then that envelope with the sealed with a kiss that came from Dollar Tree, as well as the love hanging sign, and it actually had 6 hearts on it, but it was way too long to fit on my my display rack, so I removed the 2 bottom ones. And then I got the XOXO, I think I got that one at the 99-cent. I don't know. I go between 99 cents and Dollar Tree because they're in the same area.
And the 99-cent store is a lot more expensive than the Dollar Tree.
Yeah, but you can get some higher quality items.
Sometimes.
Also. Yeah, sometimes. So then here's my little donuts that I made. Let's see if I can take this lid off. So there's my donuts, and those are my first ones. So they're really tiny, and I tried to do this technique to make this this stuff here. I can't remember what it's called now, but I didn't do such a great job because it was really clumpy. So now I've figured out how to do it. So my next batch, I'm doing a different project, and it did turn out better. So it was really thick and clumpy, so I didn't like that. And then these are my my cookies that were epic fails. So but I just stuck them in there anyways. I didn't care.
I think everything looks fine. You're too critical.
So, and then let's see. This is a dish towel that came with that other one. Was with the little bicycle. I think we did it on a shopping haul. And it looks cute to cover my wine rack. Yeah. So I like to have, because my husband made like a little board here, so I can display things on top of it. So I always have to cover it because it's just a plain piece of board. So.
Well, you'll get it fixed up fancier, I'm sure, someday.
One day. Oh, he's got a lot of projects right now, so.
Yeah, he loves being married too, I'm sure. Okay.
And so my tree, I decided, because I've seen a lot of people have their tree up all year, and I said, you know what, I'm going to keep mine up. Well, my husband is kind of vetoing me. He really doesn't want it up, but I told him, okay, then let's compromise. I'll keep it up until Easter, and then I'll take it down. So.
Take it from me. She won't take it down. She'll win. She'll wear him down.
So I left my gold ribbon on there, and then I just added my flowers. Again, I had a bunch of flowers left over from a baby shower I had done right before the pandemic in 2020. 2020. And then so I have a whole bunch of those different color roses. And then I just added some little bows and some felt hearts. I put just some plain hearts, and then I added different colors. And then yesterday I decided, oh, this would be cute to make like little cones. And this one has a flower and the conversational hearts coming out of it. And I thought that turned out pretty good.
Thought it turned out super cute.
And did you show him my baby?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. And then I made a kiss me cookie, and I was gonna put it on my cookie plate, but then I thought, oh, that'll look nice on my tree. And so I just stuck it on my tree.
It looks super cute.
And that is made out of clay, air dry clay, and then I got some stick-ons and I put them on there, and then I put some Mod Podge on it to keep it from peeling off.
Okay,
and then there's another one up there. I don't know if you can see that one.
Now, is that a flower in there?
It is a heart. It's a heart of roses. So I don't know if you can see it very well.
I can see. I thought it was a bow. I guess it is little roses, huh?
Yeah, it's little baby roses.
Okay, we got close enough to see the roses now.
And that one's made out of clay. I used a mold to make that, and so I thought that'd be cute to stick that inside my little cone that I was making. And then I have a couple other flower cones, but my favorite little cone.
Okay, here's the favorite. I'm getting down.
The baby. She's so cute. And that actually was Carlos's idea, because I had her head sitting on the table, and he goes, hey, why don't you put the baby in one of those? And I was like, oh, that's a good idea.
It's all wrapped up with a little blanket.
Yeah.
Oh, with so much love.
And I love how the little hat turned out, because she's bald, you know, and
looks perfect.
it's so cute. So I really love that.
Yeah.
So
let us know.
I didn't plug my tree in. I'm like, what? Why does it look funny? Here, let me plug it in.
Let us know what you thought about the baby. I thought this turned out so cute. It's so great having a daughter that joined my channel, and she's so good at doing DIYs. And we're going to go back over the tree and let you see how it looks all lit up since you forgot.
Well, good thing I remembered.
Yeah.
I kept looking at it going, why does it look...
Doesn't look as pretty.
Yeah, it looks nice now. And then if you back up just a little bit, I'm going to turn the light off, and you can see how pretty it looks when the light is off.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm going to turn it on.
Pretty.
Looks beautiful against the walls.
Mm-hmm. The light, how the light reflects, it kind of looks like it's a textured, like an Italian textured wall. I really like it.
Yeah, but these aren't dry walls like a house like I have either.
No, these are plaster walls.
These are plaster walls too. That maybe makes the
difference. It's an
difference.
older home.
It looks so pretty.
And then the I don't know. You can see the window covering in the.
Well, I was trying to see that for a later video.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll do that another time.
Okay, now we're going to come over here and see how she decorated the bottom of the tree. And didn't it turn out cute?
And that's just a little cheap little tablecloth from 99-cent store. And then Mom brought that box of chocolate. So cute. And then the other little box. I was going to get several more, but I just never got back to the store.
And the bad thing is I had more at the house. If she'd said she needed more, I could have brought some more over.
There's always next year, as Mom says.
There is. There's always next year. This year's been a very bad year. We've all been so sick this year. I can't believe it. It's just one thing after another. And it isn't just us. Everybody in the family's getting sick.
Yeah, everybody. So...
Well,
but we should all be well now, and hopefully there won't be any more
excuses?
Delays in our videos.
Well, we still have a few more delays coming, I hate to tell you.
Oh, well.
You know, funerals and everything too.
Yeah, I know, but
yeah,
for the most part, we should be try to get back on track. So
yeah, I'm hoping. I'm really tired of being off track, and I still am not feeling 100%. So that's why we still may be a couple weeks behind. Well, I'm so happy you shared your beautiful buffet and your beautiful tree with us today. It was just beautiful. Well, we'll see you tomorrow with another post, so May come back and see what else Debbie's done. She's always doing some kind of DIY project.
And if you're not already subscribing, please consider and also give us thumbs up. We'd love to see those thumbs up and give us lots of comments on what we could do better.
Bye-bye. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie.
Bye.